Allah, the Exalted, said, "Or their deeds are like darknesses within a deep sea which is covered by waves, upon which are waves, upon which are clouds, darknesses, some of them upon others. When one puts out his hand therein, he can hardly see it. And he to whom Allah has not granted light, for him there is no light."
An-Nur 40.
When oceanographers and marine scientists analyzed this verse, they found that it describes the environment of the deep seas with stunning physical accuracy through three main pillars. 1. A deep sea and the phenomenon of darknesses, some of them upon others. A deep sea refers to abyssal waters. Modern science has discovered that sunlight cannot penetrate the depths of the oceans completely. Light consists of 7 colors. When it enters the water progressively absorbs these colors based on their wavelength and depth. The color red is absorbed first within the first few meters, followed by yellow, then green, and so on, until the last color disappears at a depth of about 200 meters. Below a depth of 1,000 meters, the ocean enters a state of absolute, pitch-black darkness. This gradual disappearance of light and color is literally what the Quran describes as darknesses, some of them upon others. At these depths, if a human were to stretch out their hand, they would not be able to see it at all due to the complete absence of light. 2. Covered by waves, upon which are waves, internal waves. Until recently, it was believed that waves only occurred on the surface of the seas due to wind. However, oceanographers recently discovered what are known as internal waves. These are massive waves that occur in the deep recesses of the ocean due to differences in the density between layers of water. These internal waves cover and envelop the deep sea, just as surface waves cover the top of the ocean. Therefore, there are waves in the deep and another set of waves above them on the surface. This perfectly matches the Quranic expression, waves upon which are waves. 3. Upon which are clouds. Clouds obstruct a large portion of sunlight right from the beginning, before it even reaches the water's surface, which contributes to increasing the levels of darkness down below. The picture of darkness becomes complete. Clouds block the light from above, then surface waves scatter and block the penetrating light, followed by internal waves and deep water layers absorbing what remains of the rays. The result is total, absolute darkness at the bottom. This holy verse from Surat An-Nur is considered one of the most prominent examples of scientific miracles in the Holy Quran. It describes the intricate details of the deep seas with extreme precision, phenomena that humanity only discovered in the 20th and 21st centuries after the invention of advanced submarines and modern measuring devices. Without special breathing apparatus, diving suits, and submarines, a human cannot dive deeper than 40 to 50 meters, whereas these darknesses and internal waves begin at profound depths. The recording of these precise details over 1,400 years ago by a prophet who lived in a desert environment and never sailed the sea is definitive proof that this Quran is the word of God, the Creator, who knows the secrets of the universe.